how are you all? Welcome to my podcast, Sangrila with Ila and Acharya. Thank you so very much for listening to my episodes and welcoming my season 3. So, today I'm here with my fifth episode of season 3, which is titled as The Prosperity Game. Yes, as you all know that nowadays I'm going through this book, Ask, and it is given by Esther and Jerry Hicks, and they are very famously known as Abraham teachings. So from this Abraham teachings, I am going to take this prosperity game, and I'm really very excited to share this game with you because it is going to improve the prosperity area of our life. So let's start with the process. So here we have to it will help us to improve our imagination to a vast level. So in this process we will begin by creating an imaginary checking amount or account. That is, over here we have to imagine that we have an account, and as you know that we have our actual banking, all that logs in which we have this deposit and this which are checks which are withdrawn, and we have this this area in which we put all the details where the money has spent. So over here we have to imagine that we are having this imaginary account, and in which we are going to deposit certain amount of money, and we are going to withdraw it also. So over here we can use some props like some old checkbooks which are not being used in our currently in our for our current account, or we can have this we can use this kind of format in our computer also, in this kind of accounting format, or we can have this kind of checking account in our make it in our notebook or diary also, where we have this list of deposited amount and then credited amount in withdrawal and all that. So over here main thing is that we have to enjoy this process. So on what we are going to do on the very first day, we are going to deposit 1000 rupees into it, and the rule is that we have to try to spend that 1000 rupees on that very first day. And over here it is up to us that whether we will spend that entire 1000 rupees on only one thing, or we can bifurcate it. For example, I can spend my 1000 rupees on buying the shoes of 1000 rupees, or I can use that 1000 rupees for buying shoes of 500 rupees, and then 500 rupees of another accessories or something like that. So it all depends on us. And while doing this, what we'll do, in this wherever we are going to maintain that data, we are going to deposit 1000 rupees, and we are going to write in description that yes, today I have used this money for buying this particular shoes or this particular accessories or this particular book or something like that. And then on the second day we are going to deposit 2000 rupees, and again we are going to do the same process. On the entire day we will try to spend that 2000 rupees which has been deposited into our account, and we will write in description where we are spending that 2000 rupees. And similarly on the third day 3000 rupees, on the fourth day 4000 rupees. And this game can you can play this game until for 1 week, for 1 month, or for entire 1 year. It all depends on you, because actually when we are going to play this game now, you are going to feel so much happy, because here you can see that that in your mind that this is money you have deposited, you are using it, but there will be no more spending, or there will be no credit bills coming from there somewhere or something like that. So here you will feel as if without any resistance you are going to spend this money. And that is what is much important about this game, that you have to feel no resistance in your vibration, because when you are feeling no resistance in your vibration, then the law of attraction is working out for you, and then whatever you have returned while spending that money, that will automatically come into your life. So yes, I hope you are going to enjoy this game, because if you do this continuous game for 50 days, it will be like 50,000 rupees in your account, and you will be spending it for so many things, and at the end of a year, you will have this 3,65,000 rupees in your account, because each day you are spending, you are going to increase that much amount of money for each day. So playing this game is going to increase your imagination, because when you have that much amount of money, some large amount of money, 1 lakh rupees, then on that day you will try to spend that much amount of money for some useful things which you want. And this while playing this game, you will see that how easy it is for you to go somewhere and actually buy that product, or actually buy that thing for you. So playing this game will definitely going to increase your financial condition. So I hope you have got the point, and you know how to play this. But still, if you have any doubt, or if you have any questions, please let me know. And thank you so much for listening to my podcast. Thank you so much.